Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting on Microsoft Excel. Okay, so right now as you can see I have a sample tally here, or sample Excel file that sells sales report right there. Let me just highlight the tile so you guys can see, okay? Change the colors so there will be a color coding on our presentation right now. So as you can see right here, I have a header or title sales report with the month on column A and sales on column B. For month, I just took a sample of January to May, that's a 5-month range, and then for sales, I just hit random numbers, okay? So, conditional formatting works if, for example, you want to look at a specific data or data on thousands or hundreds of data you have. For example, this list goes on and on and on. For example, that list right there, and then let's just say this is actually a lot of numbers, not just the same one, okay? For example, this 532, 533, 635, and so on and so forth. Let's say those are random numbers. Now, you want to locate a specific condition. For example, I want to look at something that's greater than 5. Highlight any data that's greater than 5, and Excel will give you those numbers, okay? So how does it work? So highlight the specific column, a specific set of data that you want to condition, and just head over on this section right here. It says conditional formatting. It has highlight cell rows, top to bottom rows, data bars, and so on and so forth, but I'm gonna highlight this section right here that says highlight cell rows. Now I wanna find greater than value. Okay, so format cells that are greater than, for example, I'm gonna put exact numbers here, greater than, let's just say 16. Okay, as you can see, the 15 has been left out because I only highlighted greater than 16. That means that, of course, 16 is greater than 15. Now let's just say highlight numbers greater than 200. As you can see, the ones that are left out are the numbers left or less than 200. Now to change the color, just click this part right here. For example, you want to change the specific color of your choice. That's being it. That's how you choose or use conditional formatting on Microsoft Excel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.